Hello food lovers, welcome to peepliefresh. My name is Anoop. Today I'm going to prepare a veg dish. I named this dish Squash Awesomeness. It's vegan, it's gluten free, it's healthy, and it's delicious. For me, cooking is all about relaxation. So I prefer to sit down, do my prepping. This is my chill time. For the squash awesomeness, we mainly need a squash. Today I'm taking butternut squash, but if you prefer anything else like pumpkins or any other, you can have them. And we got carrots, plantain. They are not banana, they are a different variety mainly used for cooking, and you can buy them most of supermarkets or the Caribbean Jamaican shops. And onion, a small one or a medium one, and red kidney beans. You can buy them dried in tin, but if you're buying dried, make sure you soak it overnight so it's easier to cook. We need some coconut milk, some grated coconut, piece of ginger, few cloves of garlic, and a little bit of black pepper. That's the only source of heat in this dish. So if you prefer a little bit more spicier dish, more pepper or an extra green chili. One more thing is turmeric powder, which give the yellow color to our dish. So butternut squash I usually cut cut both ends and use a peeler, like potato peeler, and just peel it off. Same with carrots, plantain, same. I will cut the both ends and just peel off the skin. So we cleaned all vegetables now, so we can cut them into small chunks and put it in our cooking pot. I tried to cut squash a little bit bigger because they get cooked very quickly. So if I cut squash bigger and carrots and plantain smaller than that piece, they cooked evenly in one pot. For plantain, I usually cut them into half and then slice them. Same with carrots. And tomato, I usually slice them kind of brown pieces. Now red kidney beans, and then coconut milk. I'm not going to add any water here, it's just coconut milk and the juices from the vegetable. Don't worry about the lumps in the coconut milk. When they get cooked, they will be There will be no more lumps. Now turmeric powder. I usually have like half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I started to use turmeric powder because when you go to shops in supermarkets, you can see turmeric powder in vitamin section and mixed with tea. So it's a good stuff. So I started to use a little bit of turmeric powder on all my dishes and 2 teaspoons of salt. Later on we will check it, and if we need any more we will add it later. Better to check your food while you are cooking, because salt we can always add more. Now tomato on top. Now I put a lid on, cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on a low to medium. Our pumpkin, plantain and carrots are cooking in coconut milk. We will slice our onion into small pieces and also mix our coconut, ginger, garlic and black pepper mix. You can always use your old coffee grinder for this, but we are not making a paste, we are only mixing a little bit. So that's why I'm using this one to just mix them together. So now our onion is sliced, ginger, garlic, pepper and coconut is all mixed together. What I prefer to do is I put a little bit of coconut oil and fry the onion and the coconut. As you can see, our pumpkin and carrot mix is slowly getting cooked. When I put lid on, it's basically steaming the vegetables inside the pot. And here in this frying pan, I'm going to fry this onion and coconut mix. I'm going to add nearly 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm frying this onions on high heat because that way I will get the caramelized flavor which I wanted. Now I'm going to add the coconut mix. So the vegetables are cooking for nearly 10 minutes. To check if the vegetables are cooked, I usually pick the hardest vegetable. Here it's a carrot and a plantain. I use a fork and stab them, and if they are going through, that means it's cooked. So this time add the fried onions, coconut mix in here and mix well. This is the time to check your dish. Make sure you've got enough salt, or if you want to add some more salt or pepper. Tastes damn good. I put the lid back on for another few more minutes. So our delicious squash awesomeness is ready now. So it's just vegetables cooked for 15 minutes with a little bit of coconut. If you don't want any oil in your dish, just skip the onion frying part and put everything together and cook it for 15. And you can eat it with rice, pasta, quinoa, whatever you like. I'm going to try it with a little bit of basmati rice. If you are watching this video on YouTube, consider subscribing. And if you like this dish, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and always comment and give your valuable suggestions. Thank you.